everyone. So I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video, but as of this recording here, I am 8 weeks post relaxer. I just shampooed my hair in the shower and my roots are getting a little fuzzy here. And it's amazing that I made it to 8 weeks, because those of you who know my relaxed hair journey, I never went past 4 to 5 weeks post relaxer, and I'm 8 weeks post relaxer. And I had went natural. I was fully natural for like a year, and I decided to go back relaxed. So my goal is I want to try to make it to 10 to 12 weeks before I relax my hair. So I'm gonna probably try to put some crochet in my hair for a couple more weeks. If I can make it like 2 to 4 more weeks, I think that would be really good, because I do not want to experience breakage. And this right here is like, you know, a feat for me. So something that I want to show you guys right here. So when I did my relaxer, and I'll link that above if you haven't seen that yet, I did a virgin relaxer on my hair. I ran out of relaxer in the back of my hair, so I basically had to stretch the little bit of relaxer that I had left. And I was basically just trying to smooth it out where it could blend in with the rest of my hair, but I actually had ran out of relaxer. And now I want to show you guys what it looks like back here in the back where I ran out at. Back here in the back, you can actually see I have loose curls back here. They're really loose. Let me see if I can get a good shot. Do you see this right here? Like these curls on the end? That's a loose one. All those right in there. All these curls clumped together. But this is what my hair is looking like at 8 months post relaxer. I'm gonna go ahead and be deep conditioning with this right here. It's the RS Replenishing conditioner. I'm just gonna really saturate my hair with this. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to rinse this out, leave it on for 15 minutes, rinse it out, and blow dry my hair, or if I wanted to actually deep condition overnight and sleep in this. I'm not sure yet, but I'll let y'all know for sure. So really quickly, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to add this to my hair. You can already see my roots trying to see that bounce back. That's new growth coming through. That movement you see. All right, so I'm done applying my deep conditioner to my hair, and I'm actually going to deep condition overnight. So I'm gonna just try to pile as much as I can of my hair up and put my shower cap on, and then wrap my hair up. All right, so this is the next morning. I'm gonna take my bonnets off. Woo! I'm surprised everything stayed on good and secure. So this is what my hair looks like. It does still have the conditioner in it. I haven't rinsed it out yet. It feels really soft and it smells really good. That ORS conditioner smells really good. So I'm just gonna go and wash this out. We'll rinse it out and blow dry my hair, braid my hair down, and then put my crochet in.